Welcome back to Coding Drift. In the previous video, we have seen how we can do app integration with the React Hook form. In this video, we will see how we can integrate React Hook form with Zord for validation. So Zord is another schema-based validation library. So first, let us install that. So we have already installed the Hook forms resolvers earlier. So here we just need to install Zord. The installation is complete. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy paste this F form and rename it to Zord form. I'll rename this function as well, and here let me change it to Zord, and I'll remove the schema. The import will be, instead of F we need to import Zord, so I'll import Z from Zord. Now schema will be Z dot object of Zord. Also follows a similar syntax. So only thing is few properties are different. Let us say name z dot string to say the field is string. Next is, instead of required, here you need to provide non-empty, and same we can pass the error message here. Name is required. For min also it is the same. Just give dot min and what is the minimum characters and the error message. Let us do it for email. Email is a string and it's non-empty. Email is required, and I'll say this is email field. And finally for website, I'll copy paste the string and non-empty validation here. And for website we had a regex validation here. Instead of matches here, the function name is regex. So regex, pass the regex, and the error message to be displayed whenever the regex validation fails. Here instead of yup resolver, you need to pass sort resolver, so that we will import from hook form. And finally, let us import Zord form here. Now we are in the Zord registration form. If I click on register, it is running the validation using Zord. You can see the error type is too small instead of required, which is in the case of the default validation supported by React Hook form. So we can check for email validation. As you can see, it is telling invalid email as expected. So that is how you can integrate a Zord into React Hook form. In the next video, which will be the final video in this series, we will see how we can integrate Material UI with React Hook form. Thank you for watching. If you are liking this series, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.